Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Pragya Jain. I have All India rank of 194 in Civil Services Exam 2016 with a score of 310 in Anthropology, 145 in Paper 1 and 165 in Paper 2. I have been getting a lot of requests regarding uploading my Anthro notes, so which I'll be doing along with this video. Now, the basic purpose of uploading my notes is that firstly, I have not taken any coaching, so these are completely self-made notes. So it might help a lot of people regarding how to make notes. And also, I would like to request you firstly that please prepare your own notes. These might only serve as a guideline for you regarding note preparation. Also, it might contain a lot of information which has been compiled from different sources and at one place. Also, regarding the diagrams, that I've been getting a lot of requests like in physical anthropology. Since I'm a doctor by profession, so that was comparatively easier for me to understand. In physical anthropology, the diagrams are present along with these notes, so kindly go through them. They are more than enough. If you incorporate those diagrams along with your questions, you will definitely get 1 or 2 extra marks. So let me tell you regarding this. All these notes have been will be uploaded, which are present in this register. Now I have arranged them in a serial wise order. So this is the index. For example, it is paper 1 and the whatever is mentioned in the bracket is, for example, it's 1.1. It is chapter 1.1 as has been mentioned in UPSC syllabus, and the page number is mentioned. So it will be comparatively easier for you to find out the relevant information that you are looking for. Now, as I was talking about physical anthropology, the source of these notes is Braintree. Then Nadeem Hasnani's Tribal India, Nadeem Hasnani's Indian Anthropology, some copies of toppers that I had scanned which were present on the internet. And but in physical anthropology, a lot of effort has been made in scanning out the diagrams. For example, let me show you the changes that took place in the human body when the man assumed an erect posture. See this entire diagram, it can be used in a lot of questions, which, and invariably every year 1 or 2 questions you will expect from this. In 2016 itself there were around 2 questions and I drew this diagram. So this will be very useful for you. For example, this year there were differences between ape and skull in 2017. So here is the diagram for this. See, this is ape versus human skull. So if you draw these, you will definitely your copy will be different from the other candidates that are there. So just scan these notes and find these diagrams. They are mentioned after page number 149, so you won't have many problems. Also, the human skull diagrams of Neanderthal man, then the evolutionary tree, and almost all that is Homo sapiens, Homo erectus, all of them are here. So this is the most important part of these notes that I'll be uploading, one of the most important parts, and I think this was the reason that I scored 145 in paper 1. Now coming to paper 2, the basic problem that we candidates face is regarding the tribal portion, because it is a very general kind of a topic. Everyone has certain information, but how to score 165, for that one has to read from different sources. So the notes have been prepared, but after the notes there is this, I have compiled it at one place, that is miscellaneous topics of regarding tribals. So kindly scan these. If you're not going through that, but scan these. This is around 40-50 pages. You'll find it along with. Also, especially Yaya committee. Please go through this. This is very, very important, and if you quote it verbatim, it will definitely show your level of knowledge. Third important point that I would like to mention is regarding genetics. A lot of people who are from humanities background face a lot of problem in this genetics portion and physical anthropology. So kindly don't devote much time in these topics, because hardly 1 or 2 questions come. and especially the people who are from bio background won't be facing much problem with this. So this is the entire this is around 30-40 pages which will also be uploaded along with it. For example, this is chapter 1.7 regarding cell and the structure of cell and cell division, and along with it the genetics portion is here. I think this should suffice if for the people who are preparing, but kindly don't rely only on these notes, but read a bit about it, so it will be easier for you to understand. And I hope this helps, and wishing you all the best for people who are preparing with anthropology as an optional. One thing more that I would like to mention is that, for example, let me show you. At the end of my register, I used to paste these newspaper clippings. Every day everybody reads newspapers, so any information that I used to find relevant to anthropology, I used to paste it in my register itself at the back of the register. So at times it gave me a lot of case studies. Please mention case studies in any question that you can. The source of case studies is it can be anything. It can be from the magazines like Down to Earth, it can be from the newspapers, it can be any tribal news that comes, for example tribal conflicts in the northeast, or anywhere. So most importantly, try and incorporate your anthro theoretical knowledge in day-to-day findings or in day-to-day happenings around you, so that it stays with you, and then it has a better recall value. So thank you all, and wishing you all the best.